The car corner pace truck bringing it into the inside now is Amanda Bone. The Harlem High School Husky Bowler is going to bring them around. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Green flag and we're racing. Into turn one. David Russell Jr. trying to get around Bone. Here comes Evink. Here comes Finstad. I don't think Amanda Bone likes the inside. As they're coming around again, making lap 2 now. Yeah, Amanda Bone probably wants to grab that outside groove. Running for Rookie of the Year. Both their rookie just passed her. Oh, Kelly Evink and David Russell Jr. about made contact. Tim Finstad taking advantage of the situation. Tim Finstad moving up into second place. Here comes Sean Rickelman. And the battle in the back right now between a couple of rookies. It's Sean Bauer. Oh, Nick Schneider got right next to him, and Sean pulled away that time, coming out of 2. They're coming around here. We got 4 down, 21 to go for Kelly Evink. Tim Finstad following in second. Looks like those two may be the fastest cars on the track tonight for the Miller Lite American Short Trackers, as Tim Finstad in that Prelude is reeling in Kelly Evink. Comes another rookie. You got a rookie battle for 4th place right now between Sean Rickelman and Sean Bauer. So here comes Tim Finstad. Kelly Evink, that fast car, had that fast qualifying time tonight. We'll see if Tim Finstad's got something for him. And there goes some more fireworks. So it's Evink, Finstad. The differential between those two is less than 1/10 of a second, as they're very close. As we are back to single file racing here, we'll see what happens. Getting near the halfway point of the Miller Lite American Short Tracker feature. Nick Schneider starting to challenge Sean Bauer for that 5th spot. So it looked like about a lap ago, Tim Finstad maybe lost it just a little bit and fell off just a little. We'll see. Either that or Kelly Evink stepped on the gas and pulled away. Rickelman starting to look to challenge David Russell Jr. We'll see what happens there. So far, so good. Finstad starting to close in on Evink again. Rickelman right there with Russell. He's not going to let him get away. Nick Schneider starting to set up to make his move around breakout Sean Bauer. Here comes Schneider to challenge Bauer. 2 Bandit drivers. So these two know each other very well here at the Rockford Speedway. Time by Nick Schneider looking to the inside hard to try to get around Sean Bauer. Not going to happen that time. Well, if Tim Finstad's saving it, he's got 9 laps to do something. Otherwise, it's going to be a Kelly Evink kind of night. And it's Schneider trying to get around Bauer. Schneider gets around Bauer. Looks like Bauer may have backed off just a little bit. As he does, Bauer's pulling it into the pits. Here comes Finstad. Kelly Evink went a little high. Finstad could have a run. Finstad looks like he's just sitting there waiting to see if Kelly Evink's going to make a mistake. Kelly Evink, very, very good driver here at the Speedway. I don't know if that's going to happen. Rickelman trying to reel in David Russell Jr. We got 6 to go, Rockford Speedway. Is it going to be Kelly Evink? As the laps are winding down, 4 to go this time by for Kelly Evink. If Tim Finstad's going to make a move, it's now or never. Sean Rickelman been right there behind David Russell Jr. the whole time. Will he have something for him? White flag out this time for Kelly Evink. Let's see if Tim Finstad's going to do something this time, folks. I don't know. Kelly Evink's coming around. Here comes your winner. It's Kelly Evink. Followed by Tim Finstad, followed by David Russell, Sean Rickelman, Nick Schneider in 5th. Looks like Amanda Bone 6th, Todd Snow the 7th place. What a race. Maybe it's the new paint job. I don't know. But usually if you have fast time, you win races. So I think that was the secret today to winning the American Short Tracker feature. As he's slowly getting out, strapping down. Rockford Speedway. Wow, look at that trophy. My God. Look at that thing. Make some noise for Kelly Evink. Kelly Evink, congratulations. Just a few words with you, sir. I know it's very hot. How hot is it? Is it really hot or what?
It's warm. It's warm. I'll tell you what, that 33, he picked up some speed tonight. He did a good job, good race, and he was there.
It looked like at one point you guys were in turn 2, and maybe you went a little high, and I thought we could have a race here, but then you had no problem there in 3 and 4 and sealed the deal.
Yeah, I got a little high. I drove a little hard, and here was a problem. That was pretty dirty up there, but we got around, and I didn't know what happened to the 55 car. He pulled off, so that keep moving us up forward, so we'll take it.
Kelly, do you have anybody you want to thank real quick?
Don Dewitz, Retool, and Neighbors Bar and Grill, and my race team.
Outstanding. Kelly, congratulations. One more time, fans. Kelly Evink.